Almost Late for You is all about becoming a woman. The whole song's a metaphor for losing her virginity.
No, it's not. It's about a nice girl who loses a man. She's telling him how much she wants him back.
It's not about a nice girl who wants a guy back. That's what Hit Me Baby One More Time's about. No argument there.
Which one's Hit Me Baby One More Time?
You don't remember Hit Me Baby One More Time? That was a huge hit for Britney. I'm not into that pop crap, but even I remember that one.
I hate Britney Spears. Give me Madonna any day.
Okay, Ramblers, knock that crap off. Kylie Minogue is always going to be the princess of pop, so just accept it and move on. Right, now you're all going to be using aliases for this job, so quickly. Mr. Autumn Clay, Mr. Pearlescence, Mr. Frothy Surf, Mr. Arctic Glow, Mr. Pumpkin Patch, and Mr. Candy Stick.
What the hell kind of names are those?
I've done so many jobs now that I've started to run out of colours, so I went to the hardware store and found new ones.
Mr. Candy Stick sounds too much like Mr. Randy Dick. Why can't I be Mr. Roy's Roy or Mr. Diva Royale? Yeah, I'll be Mr. Diva Royale.
No, you're not Mr. Diva Royale. Some other guy from another job is Mr. Diva Royale. You're Mr. Candy Stick. Look, we've got two ways we can go here. My way or the highway. And you can go down either one of them.
Jesus Christ, Rob, forget about it. This is beneath even me. I'll be Mr. Candy Stick. Let's move on.
Okay guys, let's get into this. The point of contact will be these traffic lights. They take forever to change, so guaranteed our targets will be held up here. You'll work in teams of 2. Right, who threw that? I can wait here all day and all night until I find out who did it. Right. Go stand in the corner. Right. Well, none of you are going home till you can all recite this perfectly. So who wants to go first? Anyone? Mr. Arctic Glow.
I set up a lookout, K down the road. When the targets approach, I call through to Mr. Autumn Clay.
And then?
And then I follow them through to cut off any escape route.
And? Mr. Pearlescence.
And provides getaway transport.
Good. Mr. Autumn Clay.
As soon as I receive word from Mr. Arctic Glow, I trip the traffic lights and prepare to remove the payload.
Well done. Mr. Pearlescence.
Mr. Frothy Surf and I will be working as the first team. I'll attack the first target from the front while Mr. Frothy Surf takes care of the rear. Now, as soon as the first vehicle is secure, Mr. Autumn Clay will go for the payload.
Very good. Mr. Candy Stick.
Mr. Pumpkin Patch and I act as the second team. I take care of the front, he takes care of the rear. When Mr. Autumn Clay's finished with the first target, he moves on to ours.
Perfect. Now, Mr. Pumpkin Patch, could you enlighten us with your exit route, please?
Once Mr. Autumn Clay's collected the payload, we cover him until he reaches Mr. Arctic Glow's car. Then we cover Mr. Pearlescence, then Mr. Frothy Surf, before we make for the car ourselves.
Very good. You may return to your seat. Right. This is the big one. This is the one that separates the men from the boys. I want you to get out there and fight.
Yes. All right, we can do this. Come on. Yes, let's go.
Spare change, sir?
Yeah, okay.
Thanks very much.
I've missed the van. Forget it, it's not worth it. Come on.
How is he?
He's taken a hit, but I think he'll make it for another 2 lights.